फिर से स्वागत है आपका आनंद राज केमिस्ट्री क्लासेस में।
On types of chemical reaction. There are 5 types of chemical reaction, but in today's class we will be focusing in these 4 type of. Okay, and this particular part is 50% of the chapter, and most of the question will be asked from this part. Okay, so try to concentrate here, and at the end 10 minutes I'm going to revise method of balancing. If you remember last class, I discussed there are 2 methods. One method I'm going to revise in today's class. So let's quickly start with this particular topic, types of chemical reaction. Okay, so as I mentioned, there are 5 types of chemical reaction. First is combination reaction. Combination reaction is also known as synthesis reaction, or it's also known as addition reaction. Okay, now second is decomposition reaction. This is also known as analysis reaction. Decomposition reaction, another name is elimination reaction. ठीक है, displacement reaction. Displacement reaction, another name is guys substitution reaction. Okay, now as I mentioned, there are 5 types. So another 2 type of double displacement. It is also known as metathesis reaction. I don't remember exactly which year, but I think last year in CBSE board exam, they have asked question for 1 mark. Explain about metathesis reaction. And what happened? 90% people could not understand this term. They know double displacement, but they could not understand the metathesis reaction. Okay, so this term is very important. And last one is oxidation and reduction. That is also known as redox reaction. Okay, so let's just start one by one those things. Before that, I want to go for quick recap of last class. If you remember last class, we discussed about exothermic reaction and endothermic reaction. Okay, now let me tell you what is exothermic. In exothermic reaction, heat is liberated. So guys, tell me what is endothermic reaction? You can type in the chat box quickly. In endothermic reaction, guys. Okay, heat is yes absorbed. Clear? So this is the basic difference between exothermic and endothermic. Very good, guys. Very good. Okay, now another part. These two things are known as thermochemical reaction. This is also important and usually is not mentioned in your textbook. So if I'm talking about exothermic or endothermic, those reactions are also known as thermochemical reaction. One student has asked this doubt in today's class. Okay, so guys, quickly tell me if this part is clear. Quickly press 1 if it is clear, press 2 if not. Then I'll go for a next part. Very good. Very good, guys. वेरी गुड. सो चलो एक क्वेश्चन करते हैं हम लोग एंड दिस क्वेश्चन इज फ्रॉम एनसीईआरटी एग्जाम्पलर. अच्छा, एक चीज मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगा बस जस्ट फॉर योर नॉलेज. फ्रॉम दिस ईयर ऑनवर्ड्स ट्राई टू सॉल्व ईच एंड एवरी क्वेश्चन ऑफ एग्जाम्पलर and in your final exam all objective and assertion reason type of question will be asked from the exemplar. Okay, so now there are 2 reference book which we have to follow from this year onwards, NCERT as well as exemplar. तो चलो जल्दी से बताओ यार इसका करेक्ट आंसर क्या है. I have given the valid. Think about it and answer it quickly guys. Wow, I can see around 50 people have answered. जल्दी से बताओ. सिंपल है यार. देखो हमको क्या करना है. वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट व्हाट इज एक्सोथर्मिक रिएक्शन. रिएक्शन ऑफ वाटर विद क्विकलाइन, डाइल्यूशन ऑफ एन एसिड, इवेपोरेशन ऑफ वाटर, सब्लिमेशन ऑफ कैम्फर. जल्दी से. ओके जल्दी करो बच्चों. आज तो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक हम लोग डिस्कस करने वाले हैं. टाइप्स ऑफ केमिकल रिएक्शन. केशव, आर यू देयर? ओके चलो, आई थिंक बहुत सारे बच्चों ने ऑप्शन बी बोला है। चलो देखते हैं यार क्या सही है, और बहुत सारे बच्चों ने ऑप्शन ए भी बोला है। ध्यान रखना बेटा, एक्सोथर्मिक हीट इज रिलीज, एंडोथर्मिक हीट इज एब्जॉर्ब। वेरी गुड वेरी गुड। चलो लेट मी एंड द वैलेट, आई एम गिविंग यू 5 more seconds quickly guys। 1 2 3 4 and 5। wow, almost all of you have answered। देखो, reaction of water with quicklime is a daily life example। Have you seen in small towns and villages what they do? They mix quicklime in water to make a white solution, and they use for white washing। And you must have seen when we are adding quicklime in water, heat is released, some bubbles are released, so this is exothermic reaction। ठीक है? Similarly, when I am saying dilution of an acid, dilution of an acid is also one example of exothermic reaction। Okay, I don't think you have seen this example in daily life, but remember, dilution of any acid or base is exothermic reaction। Third, evaporation of water, it's endothermic because heat is absorbed। Suppose I'm saying when we dry our cloth, what happens? It absorbs the heat from the sun, then the water present in cloth is evaporated, so heat is absorbed, so this one is our endothermic reaction। And last one, sublimation of camphor, how camphor is sublimed, solid is converted into vapor। Now what camphor does, it takes energy from the atmosphere and it converts solid into gas or vapor, so this is also example of endothermic। So guys, what will be the correct answer? First and second, option A is correct answer guys। Okay, so now quickly tell me explanation for this particular question is clear? If it is clear, press 1 first guys। Concept of exothermic and endothermic is important। Very good guys, very good। Yes, definitely I'll give the coins। 1 minute, let's start। Chalo, now let's go for the first type of chemical reaction। If you remember, in the starting I told there are 5 types, and first one is combination and synthesis reaction। ठीक है? Now what happens in combination reaction? Two or more than two elements or compounds are reacting with each other to form single compound। ठीक है? Two or more than two elements or compound are reacting with each other to form single compound। ठीक है? This is basic definition for combination reaction। Now if you remember from the class 9, pure mixture is divided into two categories, correct? When I'm saying pure mixture, it was divided into two categories, one was element and another was compound, correct? Pure element contains only one type of atoms like sodium, O2, N2, right? Hydrogen gas, all these are example of element। Compound, it contains two or more than two type of elements, example H2O, HCl, H2SO4, HNO3, all these are example of compound। Is it clear guys? First of all tell me about elements and compound, then I'll go back and explain about that quickly guys। If element and compound, basic difference between those two is clear, press 1 if it is clear fast guys। Okay, very good, very good, very good, very nice, very nice। ये देखो, now there are 3 type of combination reaction। First, where two elements are combining, कैसे? H2Cl2 is forming 2HCl। If you remember just now I said element contains only one type of atom, so this is element, this is element, right? So element plus element type of combination there। Second, one element and another one is a compound, SO2, there are two type of elements, so it considered as compound। ठीक है? O2 will be considered as element. So compound plus element are reacting to form another compound. So this one is element plus compound type of reaction. And third category, where two compounds are reacting with each other. NH3 is compound and HCl is also compound. So this is compound plus compound reaction and it forms NH4 cell. Clear guys? Quickly. Is it clear? Press one quickly guys, if it is clear. Then let's go and try one question. Very good. There are three type of combination reaction. Try to understand each and every line here. As I mentioned, overall chapter 50% part is this, and this is important. Chalo, very good, very good. Okay, so let's try one question. I am giving you 10-second time. Guys, answer this. First, Na plus H2O, it forms NaOH and H2. What type of combination reaction is this? Element plus element, element plus compound. जल्दी से बताओ बच्चों. Simple है यार. Correct. I want all of you to answer this. जल्दी से आंसर करो. 3 more seconds. जल्दी यार, अभी तो केवल 150 ने आंसर किया है. I want all of you to answer this. It's a very good simple. I'll give the points. I have very good question in today's session. If you'll answer this, I'll give point to everyone. चलो, let me close and hey, कुछ बच्चों ने तो यार C और D भी लगा दिया यार. मैंने तो ऑप्शन भी नहीं दिया C और D. थोड़ा बच्चा सोचो. ऑप्शन A and B. ठीक है. चलो अभी 170 बच्चों ने आंसर किया. चलो यार जल्दी से हम लोग एंड करते हैं और करेक्ट आंसर देखते हैं. Na क्या है यार? एलिमेंट, राइट? वाटर क्या है हमारा? कंपाउंड. सो व्हाट टाइप ऑफ रिएक्शन इज दिस? एलिमेंट प्लस कंपाउंड. यस, वेरी गुड गाइस who have answered option B. Very good. So option B is our correct answer. Just one thing I want to ask about this particular question. Okay, now what type of chemical reaction is this? Is it skeletal, option A, or option B, balanced? What type of chemical equation is this? Is it a skeletal chemical equation or balanced chemical equation? I'll give the option. Quickly guys, try to recall basic definition of skeletal and balance. Yes, Anubhav, skeletal reaction are those type of chemical equations which are not balanced. Anubhav yaar dekho, always try to revise the previous class. It will be really helpful for you. Okay guys, quickly, what type of reaction is this? Skeletal or balance? 5 more seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me end the ballot. Okay, yes, it's a balanced chemical equation. Reason, there are 2 sodium atom in the reactant side, 2 sodium atom in the product side. How many hydrogen atom in the reactant side? 4, and there are 2 plus 2, 4 hydrogen atom in the product side. Similarly, 2 oxygen atom here and 2 oxygen atom here. It's a balanced chemical equation. So option B is the correct. Again, I am repeating the basic definition of skeletal. Skeletal chemical equations are those chemical equations which are not balanced. Okay? Is it clear, guys? The basic definition of skeletal equation. Press 1 if it is clear. First, then let's move for the another type. Very good, very good. So let me have some water here. Then we'll start with the second type of reaction. Okay. Now, second category is decomposition. देखो, is a ulta of combination. We have one compound. Any one compound, it breaks into two or more than two things, is known as decomposition reaction. Okay? Single compound will break into two or more than two type of small compounds or elements, is known as decomposition reaction. Okay? So what happens in decomposition reaction? We have to supply the heat. Okay? In decomposition reaction, we need to supply the heat. Clear? Basic definition, guys. Single compound will break into two or more than two simple compounds, and heat is supplied on this. Clear? Okay. Now, second thing, there are three types of decomposition reaction: thermal decomposition, electrical decomposition, and decomposition by sunlight. What is the meaning of this? Sunlight is supplied in the reaction. Okay? In thermal decomposition, heat is supplied. Okay? Example, PbNO3, it breaks into PbO, NO2, and O2. This example is very, very important, guys. And they have asked this example as a balanced chemical reaction. Okay? And one more thing I will share here. NO2 gas color is yellowish green. This part, NO2 gas color is yellowish green. What is the meaning of yellowish green? It has tinge of yellow as well as green. It shows both the color, little bit yellow and little bit green. Clear? Is it clear, guys, about yellowish green color? This terminology? Tell me, press 1 if it is clear. Terminology of yellowish green thing. Very good, very good, very good. बहुत अच्छा यार. Second is electrical decomposition. In electrical decomposition, electrical energy is supplied. ठीक है? In electrical decomposition, electrical energy is supplied. चलो यहां लिख लेते हैं हम लोग. Electrical energy is supplied. ठीक है? जैसे वाटर का डिकम्पोजिशन, it breaks into hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. I'm going to discuss little more detail about this, and this is very important, very, very, very important. Okay, just give me 1 minute, I'll discuss about this. Third is decomposition by sunlight. When sunlight is supplied in the reaction, here we are supplying sunlight. If you remember, sunlight we can represent in three ways: either by H nu or UV rays, or as it is sunlight. Okay? Whenever we have to represent sunlight in these three ways, we can represent it either by H nu or UV or sunlight. Okay? Chalo. So first of all, guys, definitely I'm going to give the mic access. Try to concentrate here. Before that, let me mute all of you first of all. Sorry. Okay. Now, first of all, tell me, is it clear about thermal, electrical, and decomposition by sunlight? First of all, the basic difference between these three. Press 1 if it is clear. Okay. Now, in third one, I'll tell sunlight energy. Sun energy is supplied in the reaction. So what I'm telling, sunlight, if you have to represent over the arrow, so we can represent by either H nu or UV or as it is sunlight. Okay? This is a representation or the symbol of sunlight. Okay? Chalo. So let me explain you about next part, which is decomposition of water. Try to concentrate. This is important topic, guys, and little bit tough. Decomposition of water. Dekho. Idea is what? Whenever we talk about electrical decomposition, always there will be two electrodes. Try to concentrate, guys. And this is water. Okay. Now, pure water is not conducting electricity, so we are adding a small amount of electrolyte. No need to worry about this part. Try to concentrate. And if you remember, during electrolysis, there will be two electrodes. One is anode and another one is cathode. Okay? And these two are connected by wire. Now, what happens? There are liberation of two gases. One is hydrogen gas, another one is oxygen gas. Okay? Hydrogen gas is collected near here. This is test tube. This is our test tube. And this is test tube for anode. Now, at anode, listen guys, at anode, hydrogen gas is collected. Oxygen gas is collected. At cathode, hydrogen gas is collected. Okay, so these are the inverted test tube at anode and cathode. At cathode, hydrogen gas. At anode, oxygen gas. Now, this is one part. Second part, when I'm saying balance, see this number. There are two hydrogen gas particle. There is only one gas particle of oxygen. So can we say volume of hydrogen collected equal to double of hydrogen gas volume? Reason, there are, for every one molecule of oxygen, there are two hydrogen molecules are collected. Okay. Okay, so now I will unmute you. So first of all, tell me if this particular concept is clear. Quickly, guys. Press 1 if it is clear. Because it's a little tough and important also. I can explain it again. Okay, chalo. Let me repeat it. Try to concentrate, guys. Try to concentrate. Okay, now, first of all, this is our reaction of water decomposition. Okay, is it clear? Let's go one by one. Guys, first of all, this reaction, is it clear? Balance reaction. Press 1 if it is clear. Very good. Very good. Now, second thing, whenever we have electrical decomposition, there will be two electrodes. One is anode. These metal rods are known as electrodes. Okay? One is known as anode, another one is known as cathode. Now, this part is clear. Press 1 if type of electrode is clear. Anode and cathode. Quickly. Let's go one by one to understand. Okay. Now, what I'm telling, third step. Let me tell you about third step. At anode, oxygen gas is obtained, and at cathode, hydrogen gas is obtained. Okay? At anode, oxygen gas is obtained. At cathode, hydrogen gas is obtained. Okay, so this part also. Tell me quickly. Is this clear or not? First. Okay, why I will answer. Don't worry about that. Okay, now someone has asked why. Why hydrogen at cathode and oxygen at anode? Right? This is the question. देखो बेटा क्या होता है ना, हमारा पॉजिटिवली चार्ज, ठीक, at anode oxidation occurs. Okay, कैथोड होता है बेटा हमारा नेगेटिवली चार्ज, यहाँ पे रिडक्शन होता है. Why I was not explaining, because before that we need to understand oxidation and reduction. Now, here, oxygen gas form after oxidation. Okay, here hydrogen gas is formed after reduction. Clear? Now this is the main reason why hydrogen at cathode, oxygen at anode. Hope this part is clear now. Quickly guys, tell me fast. Very good, very good, very good. See, anyone has doubt, don't worry about that. Even after the class also you can ask me why hydrogen is obtained at why hydrogen is going for reduction, why oxygen is going for oxidation. Okay, I will explain about this, don't worry. Okay, so I think Arnav said please seems not care about reason. This is bad. Oh, I don't know what is meaning of this. Okay, because to understand that exactly, we need to know oxidation and reduction. Chalo. Okay. Now, what I said in the balance reaction, there are two hydrogen molecule and one oxygen molecule, right? This is a balance reaction. What is the meaning of this? Always two molecules of hydrogen are liberated if one molecule of oxygen is liberated. This statement, is it clear or not? Based on the balance reaction. Quickly. Actually, this concept contains so many questions. That's why I'm going step by step. Okay. Now, this is a balance reaction. See, first of all, is it clear or not? This is balance reaction. This is balance reaction, right? So now there are two hydrogen and only one oxygen, right? What is the meaning of this? For one oxygen molecules, always two molecule of hydrogen gas will be liberated. Okay? In balanced chemical reaction. Correct? Why it is liberating? देखो बेटा, क्या होता है hydrogen gas? In water, when I'm saying ratio of hydrogen atoms to oxygen atoms. Can anyone tell the answer? Quickly. What is the ratio of hydrogen atoms and oxygen atom? Quickly. Number of atoms. Number of atoms. Not mass. Quickly. What is the ratio? Guys, don't tell me the mass ratio. Number of atoms in this. There are two hydrogen atom, one oxygen atom, right? Yes, this is the ratio. Number of atoms. Is it clear? Number of hydrogen atom and oxygen atom is 2:1. Is it clear, guys? First of all, tell me quickly. Press 1 if it is clear. Very nice, very nice. Okay, so now you can understand why volume of, similarly, volume of hydrogen ratio volume of oxygen. What should be ratio now? If hydrogen atoms are double of oxygen atom, so what will be the ratio of hydrogen and oxygen volume? What should be ratio? Quickly guys, you can answer. Same ratio as 2:1. Okay? Not the mass ratio, guys. Don't get confusion with the mass ratio. We are talking in terms of volume and number of atoms. Okay, in class 9 you have learned about the mass ratio. Mass ratio is completely different. Clear? Okay, so that's why volume of hydrogen is double of volume of oxygen. Now I think everyone is clear about this concept, right? Press 1 if overall each and every question is clear related to this topic. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. देखो Arnab, I will tell you why hydrogen gas is going for reduction and why oxygen gas is going for oxidation. Try to understand this part. There is a concept of electronic concept of oxidation and reduction. Oxidation. What is electronic concept? Electrons are lost. In reduction, electrons are gained. Okay, for oxidation, there is another concept also. What is that? Addition of oxygen and removal of hydrogen. Okay, and third one is this: electrons are lost or electrons are removed. Similarly, for reduction, there are three concepts. One is this, second is hydrogen is lost. Oh, sorry, ulta. Hydrogen is added, oxygen is removed. Okay, now tell me quickly, guys, all of you, if this part of oxidation and reduction is clear. Oxidation, addition of oxygen, removal of hydrogen, and loss of electron. Quickly, similarly for reduction, hydrogen is added, oxygen is removed, and electrons are gained. Very good, very good, very good. Okay, chalo. So let me tell you why hydrogen was going for reduction. So when water, it has H plus ion and O2 minus ion. Okay, so when water breaks, it produces two H plus ions and one oxygen oxide ion. What happens? They gain two electrons to form, let me make it very clear, two hydrogen H plus ions take two electrons to form hydrogen gas. So what I said, electrons are gained is reduction. That's why hydrogen gas is formed after reduction at cathode. Similarly, this part, okay, it losing two electrons to form oxygen gas. Now we can say two electrons are lost, and loss of electron is what? Oxidation. That's why oxygen gas is formed by oxidation at anode. Arnav, hope now you are clear about this. Arnav, are you there? I have taught you topic based on your request. Okay, guys, tell me quickly so I can move for the next. Chalo. So now let's answer one by one. Guys, quickly try to concentrate here. Fast, guys. I have given answer. Answer this particular part. This particular question. Which gas is collected at cathode? I think it's clear now because I think last 20 minutes we have discussed about this. Very good, everyone. Very good. Try to recall the concept. This is the concept, guys. This part. So I've given reference for you. Now you can answer that. Quickly. Okay. 2 more seconds. Then I will close the wallet. I will tell you the correct answer. 1, 2. Chalo. Okay. Which gas is collected at cathode? Hydrogen gas is collected at cathode. Okay. Now answer this part, guys. Which gas volume collected at one electrode is double than the other one? Answer this also, guys. And you can see this particular question has been asked in 2017 and this question in 2018. जल्दी से बोलो यार. इजी है. अभी डिस्कस किया है. Which gas volume collected at one electrode is double than that at the other? Recall करो बेटा. किसके atoms ज्यादा हैं? कैसे याद कर सकते हो? The gas which has more number of atoms in water will have more volume. Simple. Clear? The gas which has more number of atoms in water molecule will have more volume. As it is. You can figure it out. Quickly, guys. जल्दी से आंसर करो यार. तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन के लिए जाते हैं. Very good, very good. Yes. So hydrogen has more number of atoms. This will be our correct answer. Now we can check. Oh, I made it wrong. So option A is the correct answer. Okay. So for both the option, A is the correct answer. Is it clear, guys? Guys, quickly tell me if this particular part is clear. This question is clear. Very good. Then I'll give the mic access. I'll give mic access for 5 minutes. Quickly apply for this. Yes, Sarthak Bida. Hello. Sarthak, can you hear me? Hamid.
Hello, sir.
Hello. Yes, beta. Tell me, what's your doubt?
Sir, in displacement reaction, when we see the decomposition reaction, when we see the decomposition of PbNO3, sir. Hello.
जी जी.
Yes, sir. तो
हाँ बोलो बोलो.
यस सर. तो हमें किस तरह पता चल सकता है कि ये मतलब अगर हमें एक रिएक्टेंट दिया जाए तो ये किस तरह ये प्रोडक्ट है? मतलब हमें प्रोडक्ट साइड के बारे में पता चल जाएगा.
हाँ देखो बेटा, अब किसी भी रिएक्शन पे अगर एक ही रिएक्टेंट दिया हुआ है, करेक्ट?
यस सर.
करेक्ट. तो डेफिनेटली ओनली वन रिएक्टेंट हैज टू ब्रेक इनटू टू और मोर देन टू अदर एलिमेंट्स और कंपाउंड्स. करेक्ट. तो क्या होगा अगर वो दो या दो से ज्यादा में ब्रेक हो रहा है तो कौन टाइप की रिएक्शन होगी? डिकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन.
यस सर. यस सर.
ये है आइडिया, ये है बेसिक आइडिया.
हमें इस तरीके से कैसा पता चल जाएगा कि ये PO में कन्वर्ट होने वाला है, NO2 में कन्वर्ट होने वाला है और O2 में कन्वर्ट होने वाला है सर?
हाँ बेटा, इसका कॉन्सेप्ट होता है डेफिनेटली. या दिस यू विल लर्न इन 11th एंड 12th. These are the property of nitrates. अभी क्या करना है? We have to just try to remember the examples right now because logics we cannot understand. We are understanding the basic equations. Example in 11th and 12th you will learn the property of nitrate.
Yes sir. Okay. The question is, what is the another name of decomposition reaction, sir?
Decomposition reaction is known as see देखो बेटा, मैंने एक लिस्ट दी पूरी आपको यहाँ पे. Analysis reaction और elimination reaction.
ठीक है सर.
There are two other names. ठीक है?
Okay sir. Thank you.
चलो space time.
Hello sir.
Yes, beta,
hello sir.
Yes, beta.
Sir, in decomposition of water, is hydrogen cation and oxygen anion?
Yes.
And
Yes.
can cation be only a chemical substance?
Beta, can you repeat the last sentence? I could not hear you properly.
Sir, can catalyst
Sorry, space time. I could not hear you.
catalyst
Your voice. Sorry,
sir,
I
can
cannot hear.
catalyst be a chemical substance? Can catalyst
See,
be a chemical
see,
substance? Only.
catalyst.
Yeah, it should be only a chemical substance, so or it
Yes,
can be
yes.
even physical.
See, all things which we can feel or touch, all those are chemical substance, because all those are matter, and every matter is a chemical substance, right?
Okay, sir.
Okay, so let me close the mic. I'll go for the another topic. Right now, let me just quickly revise it. We have discussed about combination reaction. There are three types. क्या क्या थे हमारे? Element plus element, element plus compound. Third was compound plus compound. Second, we discuss about decomposition reaction. And again, there are three types: thermal decomposition, electrical decomposition, and decomposition with the help of sunlight. चलो हम लोग डिस्कस करते हैं डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन के बारे में, ठीक है? एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो नोन एज सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन। ओके, नाउ क्या होता है बेटा डिकम्पोजिशन सॉरी डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन पे? देखो, okay, one powerful element will displace another element from its compound. जैसे कि चलो एग्जांपल लेते हैं सिंपल सा. There are two friends B and C. Okay, now one strong person has come, right? Okay, A, what is saying? A is saying I am more powerful, okay, and I can combine with C. So what will happen? A and C will form another compound and B is eliminated, right? So this is the concept of displacement reaction or substitution reaction. What is happening here? A is substituting B from its compound. What is the main condition here? A should be more reactive as compared to B. ठीक है, ठीक है. जैसे कि आप लोगों ने एक जनरल थ्योरी सुनी होगी. मान लो A and B they are boyfriend and girlfriend. ठीक है, B is boyfriend and C is girlfriend. ठीक है. Now boyfriend B is a poor guy. He doesn't have bike, he doesn't have car. Now A is coming. He is a rich fellow and he has 5 cars and 2 bikes. What will happen? Definitely she will go with A, right? And they are forming the new compound, new couple, and B is eliminated. This is the basic concept of displacement reaction. So what is the main thing? Element A should be more reactive than element B. Is it clear, guys? First of all, the basic definition. Guys, tell me quickly if the basic definition of displacement reaction is clear. Fast. Very good, very good. So more reactive element will displace less reactive elements from its compound. देखो, जैसे हम लोग बात करते हैं Fe और CuSO4. Now, one more thing, this displacement reaction is based on reactivity series. ठीक है, ये रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज पे आपको बच्चों याद होगा क्लास 8th में वी हैव लर्न अबाउट रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज. क्या थी? ये देखो, अप टू डाउन रिएक्टिविटी डिक्रीजेस. ठीक है, दिस रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज वी लर्न इन क्लास 8 मेटल्स एंड नॉन मेटल चैप्टर. ओके, नाउ चलो अब हम लोग लेट्स सी द प्रीवियस एग्जांपल. हियर we have iron atom and we have CuSO4. Let's check which one is more reactive. Now, can you tell me from this? We have iron here and we have copper here. As we know, up to down reactivity decreases. Up to down reactivity decreases. So tell me which one is more reactive. Guys, type in the chat box which one is more reactive. A for Fe, B for copper. Quickly. Very good, very good, very good. So A is more reactive. It means Fe. So what will happen in this reaction? Iron will displace copper from its compound. So what it will form? FeSO4 and copper. Okay, is it clear, guys? Fe will displace copper from its compound to form FeSO4 plus copper. Quickly, tell me fast if it is clear. Press 1. Fast, guys. Okay, now I have one question, guys. This reaction, Ag plus CuSO4. Okay, my options are two. Reaction will occur. Second option, reaction will not occur. चलो जल्दी से आंसर करो यार, ठीक है? इसके लिए क्या करना है? I'll give you the reactivity series. Now take the reference of reactivity series. You can take the snapshot and answer the previous question, guys. Quickly. Okay. जल्दी बोलो यार. Yes or no? Now you are the first. This reaction will occur. Option A. This reaction will not occur. Option B. Fast, guys. 10 more seconds. जल्दी से. अगर ये क्वेश्चन कर लिया तो it means concept of displacement reaction is clear. जल्दी अभी चलो. It's the time for coin. After this question definitely I'll give. जल्दी से बता दो. देखो अगर सही का परसेंटेज 85 प्लस गया, I'll give the coin. जल्दी से सब लोग आंसर करो यार. अभी 50 लोगों ने आंसर नहीं किया है. जल्दी करो यार, अगर कॉइन चाहिए तो जल्दी जल्दी से. 30 more people. प्रशांत is requesting to everyone. अभी भी 25 बच्चों ने 25 बच्चों ने आंसर नहीं किया है. जल्दी. Yes or no? I'll give the mic. Don't worry. चलो चलो चलो. 10 more students. Fast. जल्दी से करो. Let me end the ballot. I'm giving you 5 more seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Yes. This reaction will not occur. What is the reason? What is the reason? Ag reactivity is less than copper reactivity. Is it clear, guys? We can check the reactivity series. Ag is down the copper. ठीक है? तो जल्दी से बोलो अगर ये क्वेश्चन क्लियर है. I'll give the coin. जल्दी बोलो. Very good, very good, very good. जल्दी जल्दी. वाओ. जल्दी बेटा, खत्म हो रहा है टाइम. चलो चलो चलो, बहुत अच्छे बेटा. ओके चलो यार, आप नेक्स्ट टॉपिक पे हम लोग डिस्कस करते हैं. उसके पहले ना चलो कुछ क्वेश्चंस करते हैं यार. अच्छे अच्छे क्वेश्चंस करते हैं, ठीक है? अच्छा, ये आंसर करो. बहुत ही सिंपल क्वेश्चन है. जस्ट यू हैव टू रिकॉल व्हाट इज कॉम्बिनेशन, व्हाट इज डिकम्पोजिशन एंड व्हाट इज डिस्प्लेसमेंट. जल्दी से बताओ यार. मैं वैलेट ओपन किया. जल्दी से, a following reaction used to produce oxygen gas in lab. Okay, can anyone tell the name of KClO3? Can anyone tell the name of KClO3? Anyone? जल्दी बताओ यार, what's the name of KClO3? Yes, Pranav, very good, very good, very good. And Pranav answer is correct. The name is potassium chlorate. Potassium chlorate. Okay? Chlorate. Very good, Pranav, very good. I'll give you extra point by end of the session. Okay, chalo. So let me end the ballot. Let's see what is the correct answer, guys. 5 more seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Chalo. The correct answer is option A. देखो पहले क्या हो रहा है यार, KClO3 is breaking into KCl and O2. Single compound is breaking into two another compound. Is known as decomposition reaction. Now, if you remember, I told every decomposition reaction is endothermic because we have to supply the energy. Correct? And this one is thermal decomposition. So decomposition reaction and endothermic in nature. So guys, tell me quickly if the explanation is clear. Press 1 if it is clear. Fast guys, fast. Very good, very good, very good. चलो यार एक और करते हैं, ये बताओ। और ये एनसीईआरटी एग्जाम्पलर है बेटा अपना। ठीक है, इसको भी जल्दी से आंसर करो यार, मजा आ जाएगा तब तो। थोड़ा सा क्वेश्चन को सोचो तब बोलो, ठीक है। क्या पूछ रहे हैं बेटा? ड्यूरिंग दिस रिएक्शन व्हाट इज द रेशियो ऑफ मोल इन बिटवीन हाइड्रोजन एंड ऑक्सीजन? तो सिंपल सा वाटर का फॉर्मूला ये होता है। बेस्ड ऑन दैट यू हैव टू फिगर इट आउट। जल्दी बताओ, जल्दी से। सिंपल है यार। आई थिंक मोस्ट ऑफ यू हैव आंसर्ड इट करेक्टली। बेटा ध्यान रखो, हाइड्रोजन और ऑक्सीजन पूछा गया है, ठीक है। मैनी पीपल हैव आंसर्ड बी, सो आई वांट टू टेल देम दे आर आस्क्ड रेशियो ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एंड ऑक्सीजन and I have given the formula. Okay, so what will be the correct answer, guys? Yes, hydrogen and oxygen ratio will be 2:1. So let me end the ballot and let's check what is the correct answer. Oh my god, no, option C is the correct answer. My mistake. Option C is the correct answer. Hydrogen and oxygen ratio is 2:1. Is it clear? Guys, quickly, tell me fast if it is clear. Press 1. Wow. चलो, ये क्वेश्चन देखो यार, ये भी बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन है। एंड someone in the starting asked this particular part. जल्दी से बताओ आंसर इसका। Okay. Then the following display reaction, observe carefully the answer. क्या हो रहा है? Sunlight is passed into silver chloride. ठीक है, तो let me tell you the correct equation first of all. Listen guys carefully. AgCl will form 2Ag plus Cl2. ठीक है, the color of AgCl is white and Ag is gray color, and chlorine gas is yellowish. ठीक है, so these are the color for this. 2AgCl white color will decompose into 2Ag plus Cl2 gas. ठीक है, so what type of chemical equation is this? decomposition. Okay, so now how is the color change taking place? White it changes to gray. White changes to gray color solid. Okay, and this one is what? Decomposition due to sunlight. Okay, photochemical decomposition, and the final name for this is क्या है बच्चों? Photochemical decomposition. Okay, so जल्दी से बताओ. Yes, आयुष मिश्रा. Very good. I appreciate. जल्दी से बताओ ये पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन क्लियर है या नहीं? Overall thing. Which color salt changes to which color, and what is the chemical balance reaction? Quickly, tell me fast. Very good. Oh, all of you know how to answer yes. Oh, चलो यार, very good. जल्दी से करो, फिर हम लोग ये क्वेश्चन ट्राई करते हैं. जल्दी से बताओ यार ये क्वेश्चन. I am giving the ballot, and this is our last question, guys. Then I'll give the mic access. Which silver compound is used in photography? Which silver compound? देखो बेटा, ऐसा random marks नहीं करना है, ठीक है? If you know, then answer it. Okay. So now I will tell you. Correct answer is AgCl. So AgCl or AgBr both can be used in photography. And this is really important question for 1 mark. For your board point of view. Okay? So first, tell me guys quickly if this particular question is clear. Then I will summarize it and I'll go back. Yes, very good. I'll give the mic access so you can ask the doubt. Very good, guys. Very good. So let me quickly summarize what are the things we have learned here. Okay, now, as I mentioned, we targeted to discuss the 4 types of reaction, but we discussed combination, decomposition, displacement reaction. Okay, now, one more thing, double displacement reaction. Let me give the quickly summary about that. What is double decomposition reaction? देखो, in double decomposition reaction, 2 compounds, listen, 2 compounds are reacting with each other to form 2 new compounds by mutual exchange of ion. बहुत difficult है ना? देखो, let me explain in a simple word. Suppose AB is a compound, CD is this one. They are interchanging. A is friend with B, C is friend with D. क्या हो रहा है अब? अब A is becoming friend with D and B is becoming friend with C. क्या हो रहा है? फ्रेंडशिप का जो पेयर है ना, अभी चेंज हो रहा है. तो अभी कंपाउंड क्या हो जाएगा बेटा? AB okay, so now A will be friend with D, AD नया मिलेगा. B will be friend with C, तो BC नया मिलेगा. So this is basic concept of double decomposition. Is it clear, guys? Basic definition of double displacement or double decomposition. Yes, I'll give the coin. Don't worry about this, guys. Quickly, press 1 if it is clear. Very good. Okay, so let me just summarize the thing, whatever the things we have learned. We have learned all 4 types of reaction. Now, I was planning to revise balancing. So guys, my request is, first of all, I have given the link